Yo, hello peeps. I want to make a quick video today about the advantages of coming to somewhere like Romania if you're a digital nomad. So I've been here about 2 months now, and sorry it might be a little bit loud. I'm just sitting at this coffee shop smacking a bit of work on a beautiful day here in Bucharest. And there's a couple of key things that I've actually noticed about this town. One of the first things I noticed is that it's very safe. You don't get robbed. You know, it's not dangerous. There aren't any haters around who are looking at your watch and looking at your laptop and your earpods and want to steal them. It's not really like that. There's a general kind of acceptance of people at different stages of people in society. So that's been a massive advantage of this place. Completely safe. I can walk around my fucking fat rollie and ain't no one gonna do shit to me. And so that's just a massive advantage, like compared to places like Miami and London, where it's unsafe. You know, you can get jacked up, robbed, beaten up anytime, and the police in London certainly won't do shit, because the police in London are weak as hell. So there's been a lot of advantages to me coming here to Bucharest. I've had such a good time, and it's just making me think I should probably try and get myself a digital nomad visa and stay here for a year. The girls are absolutely beautiful. Most of them speak English. Most people here are educated in good English because they learn it at school, which is a huge advantage of coming here as an English guy. Anyone that speaks English doesn't speak the local language, right? So that's a big thing as well. So great, like, you know, great level of English, gorgeous girls, really good prices, and the quality of food is also actually like improved a lot in the past few years, especially if you want to just go to a supermarket and buy yourself good quality products. They've got a lot of bioavailable products now, a lot of organic products have started to become available in Romania. So the place has advanced a lot since it joined the EU. And, you know, I've got everything I need here, to be honest. You know, I lived in Miami and lived in London. These are some of the most advanced cities in the world. But ultimately I come to Bucharest and it's not like, you know, it's not like taking a step back in life at all. In fact, you're going to parties, it's full of stunning girls. The prices are very reasonable. So you're an absolute baller here, especially for a digital nomad, say like you guys who earn 2, 3, 4,000 euros a month. This place is perfect for you. I mean, I had a good 2.5 months in the stock market. You know, I smacked it and made some nice money. And that doesn't mean I should go and blow it in New York or Miami or LA. Just because you've got the money doesn't mean you should go and blow it in these big cities. You should really be thinking about what value you're getting in return. I'm getting a shitload of value by actually being somewhere like Bucharest, right? Shitload of value. Surrounded by gorgeous women, can go anywhere to any restaurant anytime, can almost eat out every night, and it won't put a massive dent in your pocket, right? So if you're earning like 2, 3, 4,000 euros a month, then somewhere like Bucharest or Budapest, where I was in January, is actually perfect for you. I don't see the point in me going back to Miami anytime soon. So, you know, even though I've got a green card, I don't know what to do with it now. Whatever. Like, I'll maintain it, sure. I'm not going to live in Romania long term, but just to come in short term and to work from different coffee shops and to, you know, like another major thing I wanted to talk about is people are still conservative here, right? So you'll still find amazing women that don't have high body counts, that haven't slept with half of the town, that aren't complete slags. And they're also like very in touch with their families, and they've got good family values, and they want to settle down. They want to find a nice guy. They want to settle down. They want to be mothers. They're happy to be stay-at-home mothers, some of these girls. They're not completely hell-bent on being some independent woman. Most of the girls I meet in America now, well, especially in Miami, the fucking loose ones, either they want to be on OnlyFans or either they want a sugar daddy. I mean, listen, everyone wants a sugar daddy, fine, I get that. But, you know, it's just because in Miami there's such an availability of rich, wealthy men. And then there's also so many distractions in places like Miami, where like Miami Music Week's going on right now, and you got all these clubs and bars, and the place is just fucking nuts. So I've had a great time being in Bucharest, and it's taught me a lot about what I should be doing. And I'm thinking about actually spending more time here. I'm thinking about getting a digital nomad visa and actually like potentially spending a year somewhere like here and just seeing how it goes. Healthcare isn't obviously great, so that's the downsides. And if you have a family, you know, the healthcare and schooling system isn't great. So if you've got a bit of money, then you can at least send your kids to a private school or private medical. Those are the advantages of the Western world developed nations, is that you actually get good, you know, you get great education in the UK, you get great education in America, you get student loans, you get government support. So I get that, and if you want to start a family, then it makes more sense to be there. But if you're sort of, you know, my age, if you're between 25 and 35 and you work online, you make your money online, and you want to just travel to new places, and you're single and you want to meet interesting people and you want to go. By the way, the parties here are absolutely incredible. They have so many music festivals here that there's like there's like 3 music festivals every weekend here in the summer. So I'm definitely coming back because I love house music, and I might even try and attempt to DJ at a few parties because I'm a pretty good house DJ, to be fair. So I wouldn't mind actually trying to play at some of these parties or events. So, you know, the world is your oyster when you come somewhere like this. I've had a fantastic time. I'm leaving in a week. I'm leaving in 9 days. I'm going back to London, which I'm not too excited about at all, to be honest. And that's my recommendation to all digital nomads. Like, if you're a digital nomad, please come to somewhere like Bucharest. If you're single, you're a half decent looking bloke, even if you're not a good looking bloke, whatever, come here and pick up fantastic girls anyway. Because what I've actually found is an arbitrage opportunity whereby the guys are actually not very good looking here. Like, literally the dudes are not good looking at all. They've got like beer bellies, not the best looking guys in the world, to be honest, not the best fashion sense. So if you're a half decent looking guy, you got a good fashion sense, you got a bit of money and you're a digital nomad, yo, you have to come to Bucharest because you're gonna fucking kill it. So yeah, I've met shitloads of wonderful women. One girl that I actually really like, who I'm seeing tomorrow for dinner, like really wonderful girl. And aside from that, there's a bunch of others that I could be meeting, but I'd rather focus on one so I can focus on my business. That's about it for this video. I want to keep it nice, short and sweet. I'm sitting in one of the main areas actually. It's called Calais Victory. This is like the main busy street. I'm going to try and get a bit of work done, but I wanted to make this video for you. So yeah, any questions, if you're a digital nomad and you want some advice, I've been traveling the world for 10 years, let me know and I'll drop it in the comments and I'll try and help you out. Peace, my G's.